Hello, and welcome to Recipes with Ben. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make iced coffee using just a French press. So without further ado, let's get brewing. With iced coffee brewed and chilled, let's dive into the flavor. And right away, it's a more robust and fuller-bodied coffee compared to cold brew. It has the bitterness you expect from a hot cup of coffee, but the decreased temperature helps mellow it out just a bit. When you're looking for tasting notes on the beans for iced coffee, you want to lean towards something that's got low acidity, but fruity character and also citrus tasting notes. With all that said, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new so you don't miss the next video, and smash the like button if you found any of this helpful, and have a wonderful day.